If you've been uploading your videos directly as public, you might be making a huge mistake, and that could be the reason you are not getting more views on it. This small mistake is costing you views, subscribers, and engagement on your channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to upload your videos the right way so the YouTube algorithm pushes your content to the right audience and also helps you get more views. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Ekwiavi, and on this channel I share YouTube tips, growth strategies, and tools to help small YouTubers grow and succeed on YouTube. So if this sounds like a vibe, please subscribe to this channel and let's grow together. Okay, so now when you go to upload your video on YouTube, you will see these options. You will see public, you will see private, you will see unlisted, you will see premiere, and you will see schedule. Now, among these options, you need to choose one. Now, most new YouTubers choose public without even thinking twice, and that's a big mistake. And let me tell you why. Uploading directly to public doesn't give the YouTube system enough time to process your video. It needs time to understand your title, your thumbnails, your description, and your YouTube SEO tags. Without that, YouTube might show your videos to the wrong audience, and that will kill your click-through rate and your watch time. Now, not everyone on YouTube is interested in your niche. Whether you are sharing lifestyle content, whether you are making educational video, or you are making comedy skits, YouTube needs to know exactly who will enjoy your video. So please stop uploading your videos directly to public. It's hurting your channel's visibility and stopping your growth. And that hurts your video's performance because it's being shown to wrong audience. For example, if you create football content and the YouTube algorithm recommends it to someone like me who is not interested in sports, I'm likely to scroll past it because that is not a kind of content I want, and that hurts your video performance because it's being shown to wrong audience at the wrong time. Now let's talk about what you should be doing instead. First, avoid uploading video using YouTube app or YouTube Studio app on your phone. If you do, YouTube might not even notify your subscribers. So use the desktop version, YouTube Studio dashboard. You can access it using Chrome browser on your phone. There is a key setting there, publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers. This is how you make sure your audience knows you've uploaded new video. So now let's break down the visibility settings when uploading. So here you have private. Private means only you can see the video. You can share it with specific people by email, but it's not visible on your channel or searchable. Down here you have unlisted. Unlisted also means anyone with a link can watch the video, but it won't appear publicly on your channel. This is good if you want feedback before going live. You can share it with your friends, you can share it with your WhatsApp group so that they can watch your video and give you feedback. And you can also leave a pinned comment under that your video before making it public. Okay, so here we have public. I've already explained why uploading directly to public is not the best move, especially for small creators. Okay, and also we have premium. Okay, this lets you hype up your video before going live. It's great for music videos, skits, or big announcements. YouTube will promote the thumbnail and notify your audience before the video premiere goes live. Okay, and the last one is schedule. Okay, schedule. This is the best option for small YouTubers. It gives YouTube time to study your video, match it with the right audience, and build momentum. Okay, and let me walk you through how to schedule your video. This is the best option for new YouTubers. It gives the YouTube algorithm enough time to study your video and find the right audience. Okay, now let me walk you through how to schedule your video properly. Now click on schedule option. Let's say today is April 4th, 2025. Don't schedule the video for the same day. Instead, choose a future date like April 5th or 6th or even sometimes next week. Let me pick April 6th at 6 p.m. So once you've set your time and date, YouTube will take care of the rest. You don't have to be online when your video goes live. This saves you stress and lets you batch upload more videos in advance. You can even schedule 10 videos in a day and have them go out consistently. This also gives the YouTube algorithm enough time to find the perfect audience for each video you've scheduled. Okay, so that is all for today, and please, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video so that YouTube can recommend it to more people. And if you are serious about growing on YouTube, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on my next video. Thank you for watching the video all the way to the end. See you in my next one. Bye bye.